welcome back to my channel, Totally Tanya Vlogs. Today we are doing mommies in yoga pants and we have some great exercises to do. You are going to really enjoy this workout and you're going to see results. So let's not waste a second, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Totally Tanya Vlogs. Today we are doing mommies in yoga pants. I hope you guys are watching my series. I hope you are doing it. And if you are, I hope you are seeing results. I really believe you will if you stick to it and you guys work out 3 or 4 times a week. You can alternate videos. You don't have to do the same ones. But as long as you're working out at least 3 days a week and you are cutting back on sweets and junk food and pop, drink more water and juice, and just really, try to walk more while you're doing stuff out during the day. Try to do everything you can to get a couple little extra minutes of working out. Walk a little further, reach a little higher, squat instead of reaching down. Little things you can do. But if you guys keep it up, I know you're going to see results and I'm so excited for you. So let's go ahead and get started with this workout. I have 7 different moves that I have picked out, hand-picked for you guys, and I think they're really going to do good. Our first one is called side bends. All you're going to do is you're reaching down to the ground. Hands down to your ankle. Up, down, up. And when you go down, keep your tummy tight. You really want to squeeze in your whole middle section. That's where we're getting our belly tummy exercise. All standing exercises, because I know a lot of you don't like to go to the floor. So these are really simple to do. Okay, let's go right into number 2, knee raises, taking your elbow to your opposite knee. Squeeze when you come up with blanket up, squeeze your belly in. Okay. One more time. Number 3, front leg kicks. Alternate your hands, your foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good old jumping jacks. Okay, ready guys? Okay. Alright. Squat, arm lift. What we're going to be doing is we're going to go down to our ankles, squat down, and we're making a rainbow. Come across to another squat. And back. Each time is 1 rep. Keep breathing. It's really easy to hold your breath. You don't want to do that. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Woo! You feel it? Okay. Woo, girls. Body extensions. Reaching down to the ground. We come up. Jump. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Our last move, side leg lifts. Okay, we're gonna hold on to something for stability. And just lift my leg up. Okay, other side. Really good, guys. It's really going to help you firm up your belly, get that sexy tummy everybody wants to have.